Our March Stitch Quarterly is here from the Fat Quarter Shop, so let's open it up and see what this Stitch Quarterly is. So, oh, that's cute. Look at the tulips. So this one has tulips on it. And this is the canvas bag, and all the goodies should be inside. Usually it says Fat Quarter Shop on it, but this one doesn't. Love the colors. Okay. So here is the package you get in the Stitch Quarterly, and everything is inside. And the way this works is you get a project, you get the fabric, you get the thread, and you usually get a fun little notion and the little canvas bag. So let's dump everything out here. So let's start with our fun little notion here. And let me get my glasses on. So this is a thread conditioner, 100% natural beeswax thread conditioner. And it's in this cute little tin. I don't have one of these, but I've been wanting to get one. So I'm actually excited about that. And you unscrew it. Oh, it's so cute. It's like in the shape of the little bee hexagon from like a beehive. Smells like very fragrant. I like it. It's not too strong. It's just really nice. And this is by Lori Holt of Bee in My Bonnet. Mind your own beeswax. I'm absolutely loving this. Love, love, love this. So we got that. And fresh cut enamel needle minder. Oh, that's super cute. I love needle minders. And let's see. Yes, I would like that a lot. Very excited. And a needle minder just has a little metal thing on here so you can stick it onto your fabric. Love that. We have a John James needle. And it says, where does it say? Woo! Something quality needles. It's real small. And there's your John James needle in there because you always get a needle. Usually we get a little needle tin. We didn't this month. But I'm okay with that because I have a bunch of those and I love these notions much better. So we got the needle minder. And let's see. Looks like this is our pattern. So let's get in here. It looks really cute too. They did a good job this month. I've liked all of them, but I really like this one. So there you go. So we have, here we go. Here's the pattern. I can't show you the inside, but it's all color. I love it when cross stitch patterns are all color. And then here it tells you if you're going to use Cosmo, how many skeins. Is that what we have in here is Cosmo? Let me look. It is. I've never used Cosmo before. So I'm going to get to try the Cosmo thread. I'm super excited about that. We usually get just DMC. Really excited about that. This particular Stitch Quarterly is making my day. I am just not kidding you. And then it looks like the 14 count Aida that we got is color and cotton, Stitch Quarterly exclusive, and it's bisque, and it's a 13 by 17. And you can see the nice color on there, kind of, sort of. And what's really nice about this is, look, the edges are already serged for you. That's awesome. And I've never used color and cotton fabric before for cross stitch, so super exciting. There's a lot of really neat stuff in this particular Stitch Quarterly. So we got the pattern, we got the fabric, we got the color in the Cosmo thread, we got the needle, the John James needle, we got the Lori Holt conditioning thread conditioner, and we got the needle minder. I thought this is a really, really awesome pack up here. And we also got, of course, the little project bag. So let's find out what our value is. So the fresh cut, oh, it doesn't have prices on here. So, but it does tell you anyway what you have. The fresh cut cross stitch pattern. It says time to bloom and grow, a brand new cross stitch. Antique florals serve up a perennial inspiration in this piece. Bisque 14 count Aida by Color and Cotton. A creamy white shade brightens the room like a sunny spring day. Fresh cut enamel needle minder. The Sweet Basket enamel needle minder keeps your needle right where you need it. The John James size 26 cross stitch and tapestry needle, and those are really nice. I like those. Mind Your Own Beeswax thread conditioner by Lori Holt. A quick slip through the 100% beeswax thread conditioner will have you stitching pretty. And I believe it just kind of helps it to like not fray so much and to go through the holes a little bit better. And maybe not so much. And then Cosmos 6-strand embroidery floss. These 6 skeins are all the colors you need to stitch up this fresh design. And then the fresh cut project bag, designed to complement the fresh cut pattern. This project bag will keep your stitching feeling fresh. So this is a great Stitch Quarterly. I really loved it. Excuse the cats. Fantastic job, Fat Quarter Shop. And I'm really going to enjoy making this one.